after just a couple of hours sleep because of the lovely karaoke, we're gonna head off. Now gonna pack up camp and head off to Bira. It's about 4 hours away. So yeah, we'll have a quick pack up and then get on the road. Well, we've gone from beautiful road to this in about 3 minutes. Oh dear.
Seperti yang kalian lihat, nggak lama setelah kita berbelok, kondisi jalan berubah drastis. Dari yang sangat mulus, seketika berubah menjadi jalan yang berlubang dengan batu-batu besar dan juga kubangan. Ditambah karena lagi musim hujan, banyak bukit-bukit yang longsor, membuat jalanan semakin licin dan menantang. Di sini bukan hanya stamina yang diperlukan, tapi apa yang ada di depan mata kita memaksa kita untuk tetap berkonsentrasi penuh.
Oh, these are the roads we're finding. Hati-hati di jalan yang. So we found a waterfall.
Perjalanan menuju Tanjung Bira terlihat sangat dekat kalau dilihat dari peta. Tapi kondisi jalan seperti ini membuat kita harus sedikit memperlambat laju Vespa tua kita. Terlepas dari itu semua, alam menyuguhkan pemandangan yang indah di setiap keloknya, serta keramah tamahan yang akan tetap menjadi ciri khas orang Indonesia.
Yeah, we made it to the hotel. 6 hours on the road, 7 hours on the road, something like that. It's meant to be 4, but the road was so bad. So we're now going to check in. Bye. We arrived at the hotel okay. Really nice. Really nice. We're now going back out to pay the toll charge, which we didn't pay on the way in. Such a bad idea. around Bira, and as I think you would have already seen, we went through a massive puddle, and now Dara's a little bit annoyed because the guy in Alphamart tried to charge us twice for something. When we got outside we realised, and then he was like arguing with her, and so Dara just got the GoPro out, and then he just gave her like some free milk, which was like basically what he charged us twice for. So yeah, it's not much, but it's like, well, obviously we are Gembel, we're poor, so we're just doing our best here. Oh my god. Ooh, in there, yeah? Another big puddle. So that's it, our one night in Bira is complete.
Ya. Panas.
Yeah, panas banget.
Panas banget.
This is where we stayed last night.
Here.
Lovely place,
Yeah.
lovely people.
Pool review in Bira Beach, ya.
Yeah.
Nah, pokoknya bisa langsung ke sini aja atau pesen di Traveloka.
Yeah. Wow, so this is Bira Beach. Look how white it is. They just put the drone up and oh, it's so hot here. And you can even see there how beautiful this place is. It's amazing. Can't even open my eyes. It's so bright. Anyway, we're gonna get on the road, get as far as we can today. So we'll see you there.
Pemandangan laut Tanjung Bira sangat mempesona dengan pasir putih dan gradasi warna lautnya. Wow, satu hari di Tanjung Bira rasanya nggak cukup. Tapi kami yakin masih banyak tempat indah lain yang akan kami temui di perjalanan.
Wow, what a beautiful place.
Kali ini kita berkendara tanpa tujuan. Pokoknya ke utara. Sedikit santai sih. Kira-kira akan sampai di mana ya kita nanti? Roda-roda kecil kami terus menyusuri jalur timur Sulawesi Selatan di kecepatan 40-50 km per jam yang ternyata menghantar kita kepada keindahan Sinjai.
Coffee stop.
Yeah,
Really?
we're now in Sinjai. Sinjai.
Wow.
Belum anjay.
So hot. And I never told you, but I burnt my hands yesterday. They got burnt by the sun. So yeah, it's a little painful. But it's good. Back to 50, baby.